All right, so we just got your account migrated over to Engagement Monster AI. If you check your email from accounts.tier5.us, you'll find your login information and the link to the extension. But look, before you go off and get into the new Engagement Monster AI account and start checking it out, I want to go ahead and give you a chance to go ahead and upgrade to the full version of Engagement Monster AI that gives you way more features, including the powerful AI part of Engagement Monster AI. So what we've done is we've went ahead and migrated your account over, and we've given you access to literally everything that you can do with the current version of Engagement Monster and a few more features as well. So you haven't lost anything. You've actually got a little bit more already by migrating your account, but we haven't given you the full unlocked version of Engagement Monster AI that contains the actual AI part, all right? I think if you upgrade, you're going to love it. I do want to be transparent. If you don't take this offer right now, that's fine. But later on, if you decide, hey, once you get into the software and you see all the amazing features that you're missing out on and you want to upgrade to the full version, it's going to be $197 a month versus the low price I'm offering you right now if you go ahead and upgrade right now. So if I was you, I would just go ahead and upgrade right now. And then if you choose, hey, this isn't for me, you can just go ahead and cancel that plan and just keep the current version of Engagement Monster that you had on Engagement Monster AI, and you're not losing anything. You're just gaining a few extra features that you're also going to love. But if you want to unlock the full version and the full power of Engagement Monster, you really want to actually take this upgrade, because what we've done is we've added an AI component to Engagement Monster AI that will actually not just leave static comments like you can in Engagement Monster, but it will leave AI generated comments based on the content of the actual post. So what will happen in Engagement Monster AI is it will work very similar to the Engagement Monster that you're used to, but the big difference is the AI will actually read the content of the post and even read the content of all the comments on the post, and it will generate using AI a comment that's actually relative to the content that you're commenting on. So instead of just having your static, in the current version, the old version of Engagement Monster, you had 2 static comments that you could leave for each reaction type. So you'd statically leave, and sometimes, they were just generic comments. They didn't have anything to do with the post that you were actually commenting on. Well, with Engagement Monster AI, you can have an unlimited number of comments for each reaction type, and you can even choose for the AI to actually generate the comment for you so that it will actually be more relative to what you're posting on. And it works amazing. The people that we've had in Engagement Monster AI, they're already loving it. I'm going to give you a sneak peek and show you inside your new dashboard should you choose to go ahead and actually upgrade. So you can see here for this we have all the different comments like you have in Engagement Monster, and you can add more comments here if you want. You can add the static comments. You'll be able to use a spin tax if you want. We're even adding where you can actually add images into the software and leave images with the actual post. And there's so many other cool features that you're going to love. But you can just enable the AI comments, and with the AI comments, you'll be able to do something like this, where you can actually ask the AI to generate the comment for you so that the comment is actually relevant to what you're posting on, which is going to cause more people to actually want to reply to your comment, even go to your profile and actually check you out, because you're leaving thoughtful, relative comments instead of something that's just static and generic. So that's the power of the actual AI. And then there's also so many other features that you have here that you don't have with the current version of Engagement Monster. For example, you can choose what post do you not want to actually engage on. You can choose how long do you actually want to wait before engaging with the same friend's content again, so that if one of your friends has posted 10 times, you don't engage on all their posts right after each other. You can choose how long should you wait before you engage with the same friend's content again. Okay, you have smart default reactions, where if there is no reaction on the post already, we'll read the content of the post with the AI, and we'll determine with AI what reaction you should actually leave on the post. You've got random mode, where we're just going to leave a random comment. All right, then you have additional settings where you can choose not to engage on certain posts. So if you want to not engage on certain posts, you can pick specific emojis like you see here. If the emojis are sad face or angry face, we're just going to skip that post and we're not going to actually engage on it. If you don't want to engage on posts that have no textual content on them, you can skip those posts. If you want to skip posts that have no reactions on them, you can skip those posts. If you have content that Facebook has suggested for you and they're not actually your friends, it's just suggested content for you, you can skip those and not engage with them. If you want to skip posts that have no comments on them already, you can skip them. If you want to skip posts that are actually from groups, so if you're in a lot of groups and you don't want to actually use Engagement Monster AI to auto comment on the posts from the groups, you can skip those. If you don't want to post on ads, so if you don't want to automatically comment on ads that are in your feed, then you can just skip those ads. All right. So there's just a lot more settings. Now, I do want to be clear, we're not fully finished with Engagement Monster AI and the final version. So there's some things that you're going to see, like your engagement buddies that are coming soon, that our dev team is actually working hard on. The image gallery to be able to post images on your on your comments as well. That's coming soon. These are going to come very relatively soon. We have a whole team that's working hard on this. But all the AI functionalities you'll be able to use right now. As soon as you sign up for this upgrade, you'll be able to use all of those right now. And as new features get unlocked in the software, you'll automatically get access to those features. You'll never have to actually upgrade again. And there's so many amazing features that are coming, like being able to whitelist friends or being able to blacklist friends. And then if you don't want to engage on friends that are actually blacklisted, you can just turn that on, and you can skip anybody on your blacklist. So like, for example, if you're following a Dream 100 strategy or something like that, and those people you want to leave human reactions on, you can just actually skip them. But like I said, we're not fully finished with Engagement Monster AI with every single feature, because we have lots of cool features coming in, like engagement buddies. You'll love engagement buddies whenever it comes. But as far as the advanced settings and all the AI content, all that is ready to go right now. When you upgrade right now, you'll be able to actually start leaving real good comments that aren't static comments, that are actually contextual based on the content of the post that you're leaving a comment on. And you'll see you'll just have way better quality of comments. Instead of just having your two static comments, you can add an unlimited number of comments for each reaction type, and you can even have the AI generate those comments for you so that they're more relative to the content that you're actually posting on. Okay. So you're going to love these new features. You're going to love the Engagement Monster AI features. And again, I just want to be transparent again. If you don't take this upgrade, that's totally fine. But if you choose later on, you want to upgrade to the full unlimited version of Engagement Monster and have access to all the features, it's going to cost you $197 a month versus the small amount that we're offering you right now to upgrade whenever you migrate your account. All right. So again, if I were you, what I would do is I would go ahead and just take this upgrade. Check it out. If you don't like it, just cancel it, and then you can have access to just the normal version of Engagement Monster on Engagement Monster AI. Have access to all the features that you have right now on Engagement Monster, plus a few extra ones that we've added in that we've added in for you. But I think it's a lot better option. You just go ahead and upgrade right now, because I know once you actually get into the software and you start playing around and you see everything, you're going to want these AI features. You're definitely going to want the engagement buddies, because the engagement buddies will allow you to have other engagement buddies and pre-populate comments on your own post. So your own posts get engagement, and they get the exact engagement that you want. So your friends that want to be your engagement buddies, they just become engagement buddies with you. And then on the post that you want to populate with engagement, your own post, you can just set the comments that you want, and your engagement buddies will auto comment on your own post, so that your own posts get even more engagement, and not just random engagement. They get the exact engagement that you're going to want. That's definitely going to help you. For example, if you have a post that is about something that you're selling, and you know people have certain objections to what you're selling, you can have your engagement buddies ask you those questions right on your post, and then you can go in and actually answer those, so that people that are reading the comments that have the same the objections, they can see, okay, hey, that person had the same objection, and they can see where you've answered and handled that objection. So again, like I said, if I were you, I would just go ahead and take this upgrade right now, because it's a super low price. It's highly discounted compared to if you skip it, and then once you get into Engagement Monster and you see all these amazing features and you're like, yeah, I need to upgrade, it's going to cost you $197 a month, which is a lot more than what we're offering you right now. So again, if I was you, I would just go ahead and upgrade right now, and then if you hate it, which you won't, but if for some reason you do hate it, then you just cancel that account, and then you don't have the upgrade anymore, and you can still do everything you can do with the current Engagement Monster. All right, so that's the upgrade offer. Go ahead and just click the button down below if you want to go ahead and get the upgrade. If you're crazy and you don't, then just click the link that says you're not interested in the full power of Engagement Monster AI. But trust me, you're gonna love the AI. Everybody that's actually been using it, they've been getting so much engagement. So many people have been reaching out to them because the comments can be very thoughtful. It's just basically, hey, how you train the AI and how you actually program the AI, which is super simple to do, and we'll have training videos showing you how to do that.